is awesome because you can still
Let's go right over the stock strut. Yeah! Woo! And we're gonna hit the car. We're gonna go to dynamics, and right here, ride and handling. We're gonna go to sport now.
I'm Fiddle from Merritt Equipment. Today in the shop is this 2024 Model 3 Performance Highland. This one comes equipped with factory adaptive suspension, which this one is utilizing our Overstock kit. The beauty of it is that our Overstock kit still allows the adaptive suspension to remain fully operable, which includes any comfort or sport driving. This is awesome because you can still daily drive it or go on track days during the weekend with your friends. This is new for Tesla, however, it's not new for us. We've incorporated it years ago, and now the Tesla is utilizing our Overstock kit. So there's a new improvements, of course, on the Tesla.
Tesla went wild on this thing. Pirelli worked with Tesla. They made a new tire compound. So you run 30 series stock from the factory. They added this arrow to the wheel, which works with the extra downforce that Fidel was mentioning. They did in the front. They shortened the steering knuckle. They lightened the wheels up. New motor, electric motor in this thing. It's a whole different vehicle, but most of all what they did is they added adaptive suspension. And that adaptive suspension works seamless with our air ride. That's what this is. This just disassembles, and our bag and our brackets go right over the stock strut. The car doesn't even know it's bagged. Everything still works. That's what's cool about the adaptive suspension, is that you can change the dynamics of the ride quality now at a push of a button, as well as changing the ride height with the air suspension. They're gonna work together seamlessly. Wow. 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 But it rides really good. Oh my gosh. I own a Model Y without the adaptive suspension, and it does not ride the same. It does not ride the same. I mean, these are extreme bumps. This road is horrible, and this thing feels so smooth. Oh, I can't believe it. We're gonna turn back right here, and we're gonna change the dynamics really quick and see how it rides in its other mode. The adaptive suspension has 2 modes on this model that we can toggle between. All right, we're gonna go up here to our screen. We're gonna hit the car. We're gonna go to dynamics, and right here, ride and handling. We're gonna go to sport now. You can change it while driving. I didn't pull over or turn the vehicle off or come out of drive. Feels tighter, and the ride feels perfect. I mean, there's no vibration. I don't feel heavy. There's no body roll when I hit the corner. This thing rides so good. Our air ride system works seamlessly with the adaptive suspension that comes stock on the new Model 3 Performance. They work together perfectly. You know, the car doesn't even know it's bagged. There are no warnings. There are no sensors. There are no dash. There's no dash. There are no lights on the screen or warnings of any kind. There's quite a bit of difference in change though. I'm gonna pull over really quick and put it back. Check this out. We're just gonna go back to the standard. And I can feel when it was in the sport mode, I could feel that it felt like I was in a track vehicle, kind of like my GTR that has the same adaptive suspension. And I put it in track mode and everything becomes stiff like that. That way I have maximum traction, I have a lower center of gravity, and I can corner and bank easier. That's what happened when I pushed that sport mode right now. I felt it. But in this comfort mode, this is the best driving Tesla I've ever been in. And I mean that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna have to get one so that we can give people test drives to show them the difference in ride quality that the adaptive suspension gives with the air ride. It is probably the best ride that you can have, the best combination. You know, all of the supercars that we do, like the Lambos, the Ferraris, and then also other vehicles like the CTS-Vs that are built over 1,000 horsepower, the Hellcats. All of those vehicles come with adaptive suspension. Our air ride kit goes over that stock adaptive suspension, and it works just like this in all those vehicles. We're not going to be bagging people's vehicles that are of this level of performance or those type and ruin the vehicle. We just refuse to do it at Air Ride Equipment.